Do a little segment on what the pedal crusaders are traveling in. Hyundai Santa Fe SUV, which come and have a look. Bought for not too much, $5 less than what my bike's worth. Yeah, a bit of padding. This is a Japanese futon. Under here, just built some wood, got some spare oil there. Life straw. You know, a bit of storage. Just put some carpet in. This is extra padding. What else we got? Come out here, pull the seat forward, and then I like this bit. Of course, I spent a few nights building this, but this bit locks into place here. Well, it does if you put the straps in, if you need to, but you can just move the seats back, and trust me, it's good. Put your pillows in, it works. The other side's exactly the same. This side has the same thing. You just pull up this little doobie, get a better view. This little thing. Got the back seats in the garage. Yeah. Move the seat forward. Sweet. And that's locked in. So now, oh, this bit comes off. Yeah, chuck that away. And this bit comes down. Then plenty of room. Oh, look at that. But because that's so tinted, you can't really see stars, which was kind of the plan. So back here, I've made something that I call the stargazer. This guy. And what we do with this guy is, what it is it's just a bit of perspex with some corners, you know, bought from Bunnings for $60. We're not endorsed by Bunnings, by the way. Some little rubber stoppers. Okay, what this does is allows us to open up the sunroof at night, and these little magnet bits, they keep the muzzies out, stick to the roof. We get a bit of ventilation, and we're able to look up through the sunroof at night, see stars. This big green bag is really handy. We take the bikes out at night, chain them to the front of the car or the back of the car, then we put this green cover over. So it kind of looks like we got a motorbike beside of the car, rather than a couple of bikes that someone might want to steal. You know, simple, but makes me feel better when I'm trying to sleep. Bought these little window shades that are pretty cheap from Kmart. I don't know, $10 or something. Sort of like that. All right, and then at night when we sort of open the window, that should keep the bugs out. You know, we'll be laying in the cabin back here with sunroof, bikes chained up under that top. Well, we've done it about 7 times, and you know, it's good. Shutting out the sun. Okay, we like to sleep in, so not the biggest fans of 6 AM light, so we bought this sunshade from Kmart, really cheap. It's one that wraps around, and then we chopped one up and we stuck extra little bits on the side, and you know, that fixes up the front pretty much. Maybe just hang a shirt there, bit dodgy. I'll think of something better down the track. Then the mid windows, we just put big towels over the mid windows, because if in the middle of the night we want to get up, go to the bathroom or anything, get out of the car for any reason, we can just easily open the windows with the towels over, and it blocks out the sun real good. We've got the side windows covered. All right, for the side window, these are pretty simple. Bought some curtains online, Just drilled a couple of holes. This digs in here real nicely. Then got some like little magnets here. Alright, so this is the curtain in place with magnets for the back windows. Obviously got another one for that window. Here's a quick fix for how to block the back window. Alright, just grab a couple little crocodile clips, and you don't really have to cut this like we have. Guess we're just a little bit OCD or something. But yeah, we could definitely make it look prettier than what it's looking. Oh, there we go. Oh, bit of light coming in, but kind of good enough by my standards. Does the job. Yeah, so, you know, front taken care of, towers inside doors, curtains in these ones, and how to turn your four-wheel drive into a camper.